Okay, for this video, I'm going to show you how to set your directory and set up your data. First thing to notice for anybody who's new with RStudio and never has worked with it is that RStudio is kind of like a mini desktop. So when you're looking at the lower right bottom, here is all your files you have in your computer, and you want to make use of this. So first thing, I'm going to open one of my older intro classes to data. And this data is picking flowers. And that is the data that we want. Now, notice that most of your assignments will kind of look like this. There'll be questions. First thing we want to do is we want to set our directory. Here, we want to make use of our little desktop on the lower corner. We're going to put more, copy, folder, path to clipboard, and then we are going to put the word set WD, open parentheses, and then quotation marks, and then paste. Now here I have set in my directory, and the documents, you can see document NIU, and it just shows you where is the data that I want to work with located. Now, second, notice that we do not have the data picking flowers, the iris or the data name here in our environment, and we want to make sure that it's there. So I can name this iris. I can name it anything you want. You can name it flower. Let's change it. And then you're going to assign it to the name of the data. And you are going to run it through and it should pop up. And you can see here, it ran through, the data's fine. We can kind of see what's going on here. This petal length, width. So that's the first way. Second way is, what if we have data that is not made from like RStudio and it was from another program like Stata? So there's a way to do that. We can, first we're going to go back to our documents, and I'm going to open one of my older classes that I took Stata in. Now let's do, here. So notice that all my political data is, the data is in a file. Let's use this one, the American National Survey, Election Survey. Now I'm going to press this. It's going to give me an option to import data set. We want to use this. And notice that it gave me the same files up where the location of the data is. Everything's down here. And then we can change it to make it easier. Let's say I don't want to write this every time I'm coding. Let's just do a capital A underscore P, capital P, and then underscore. And we're going to choose what type of data or what program it was used for. So we're going to choose data, and then you're going to click on import. And notice that it imported all the data, and we can see it up here on the right. And it gave us the name of the directory. You can copy it from down here and paste it. And it even has the quotation marks, the parentheses, and everything. So That's it.